girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so some drippin' swag do. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so some drippin' swag do. Oh.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review on these Alexander McQueen sneakers that I just purchased. I ordered them from a website called Accents, which they're like a UK brand. They have like all type of designers like Balenciaga, Saint Laurent, like any designer you can think of, they have it there. They're similar to like Farfetch if you've ever heard of them, and yeah, I would definitely recommend. I got these shoes in just about like 2 days. I ordered them on Sunday and I got them Wednesday. How it came, just a regular box, and then when you open it up, it has Alexander McQueen. This box is humongous, oh my goodness. So, as you can see, it's like really big. So yeah, this is how it is. One thing that I noticed is when I was watching like other people's reviews before I purchased this shoe, my shoe did not come with the original like zebra print packaging that I've seen. It came in like this floral print. So I'm not sure if Alexander McQueen is like revamping their packaging, or maybe these are like limited edition or something like that, but they just came with the flower print. And they say AM on them. And these are the shoes. They are literally gorgeous. Oh my goodness. And here's the other pair. They are beautiful. So they have silver Alexander McQueen right here on the back, and also on the tongue right here. And then it's just glitter all the way around. Like, I literally, when I first saw these shoes, I fell in love. I definitely feel like they're like a very statement type of shoe. Like, I'm in love with them. So this shoe, because it's so chunky, as you can see, it has a very chunky heel. I actually sized down a half size. So these were 30. I originally were 37 in sneakers, but I got these in a 36 and a half, and I'm very, very happy that I did, because they fit perfect. Like, so glad, because I was kind of thinking like, should I go a whole size? Should I do a 36, or should I just do 36 and a half? And I'm so glad I just went with 36 and a half, because the 36 would have definitely have been way too small. So I'm glad that I just went half a size down. So if you're looking to purchase these shoes, make sure that you go half a size down first, because I feel like that would be, you know, good. And they fit really, really good. One shoe, it does kind of come up a little bit, but that's just my foot. Like, I swear one of my foot is smaller than the other, and it's not too small, like it fits, but like it just, this one shoe just comes up when I walk, but it doesn't come like all the way off or anything. It just kind of like slides a little bit. But I think I would just maybe need to wear like thicker socks. But other than that, like, they fit perfect, and I'm really, really glad that I went half a size down. So yeah, even though they do have the chunky heel, I like how they're not very like wide. Like, they're still very, very narrow, so they don't make your feet look really wide or anything like that, or too big. Like, but they look very appealing to your feet. Packaging, it does come with the extra pair of shoelaces, which I'm very happy about, because these shoelaces are white, so definitely good to have an extra pair. And then it comes with the Alexander McQueen booklets. So I think they do have new packaging, because even on the booklets they have the flower on it. So I think if you like do buy like the newer shoes, they will probably come with this packaging. And one thing I have to say is Alexander McQueen, so my shoes actually did not come with the dust bag, and I actually thought like maybe Essence just forgot to put a dust bag in here, you know, maybe something happened and they just forgot to package it. So I called them and I was like, hey, I didn't receive a dust bag, like I was just wondering like why. And they told me that they would get in contact with the Alexander McQueen like product specialist, and he messaged them back and he told them that this shoe actually did not come with the dust bag. And I was like, wow, that's like so weird. Like, why wouldn't it come with the dust bag? So I did like some more research, and I saw like on Farfetch also that Alexander McQueen is no longer including dust bags in their shoes. So I thought that was like kind of sad, like, you know, like why wouldn't they include a dust bag? Because especially this shoe, like it's so glittery, you know, you definitely want to protect it just to make sure that, you know, nothing ruins the glitter or anything like that. So I'll probably just be purchasing a dust bag from like Amazon or somewhere like that, you know, that just sells dust bags to travel and just to keep. So I really like keeping my shoes and, you know, like purse and stuff like that in a dust bag, because I just think that that helps protect them, you know, like, and just keep them looking brand new. So yeah. And I haven't really worn these shoes, but when I tried them on, they were really, really comfortable, and like I definitely feel like I could wear them. And this is how the bottom looks. As you can tell, like I literally just tried them on. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Ooh, you got the swag, so some tip the swag too. Ooh.